What's up, dude? So I need to order a new skid plate. Well, I don't really need to. Mine's just really messed up. I got down in here and we have all these little tiny drywall screws or whatever the fuck they are. I'm pretty sure they're drywall screws, but instead of your basic 10mm that I'm used to, and the black plastic clips, we're working with that, but that's fine. That might have been a fix somebody did. I don't know. But check that out. I didn't remove it all the way. I don't know. I was eating chocolate chip cookies. Sorry. So I didn't remove it all the way. I just removed it enough. And when I got down here, I saw that there's already a hole right here for me to do the oil. So this hole right here in the plate, in the skid plate, it's all fucked up right here. But it's just bent. But that's how you get to the oil pan, bro. Like, you can just get to the oil pan, but what you can't get to is the oil filter. Do I really have chocolate chip cookie on the other side of my face? I don't even give a fuck. What up, YouTube? Like, share my stuff, I don't care. So, now, I got up in there, and I removed the oil filter. And we be dripping, doing stuff. So now, I have officially used, and I'm so glad that I bought one because I wouldn't have been able to get it off with my hand. Ha. That's what she said. But I had to use the Liberation. I'm glad that I got one. But that's all for now. I'm gonna keep going. Oh, scared the shit out of me.